Hi, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a new keyboard from Kzzi, the K75 Lite. This guy. So if you're on the market for a mechanical keyboard that comes with a ton of features, 3 connectivity modes, the Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz and wired mode, then you should check this out. I'll be unboxing it and showing you guys what comes in the box and a little bit of what it sounds like when you type it. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney. Stay tuned. If you're looking for an affordable, buttery smooth mechanical keyboard, then the Kzzi K75 Lite should be under your radar. In the box, you'll find your instruction guide, which you would need, the keyboard, extra switches, switch puller, and a Type-C USB cable. As for the design, you'll find the charging port on the left side of the keyboard, while the on, off, and connectivity mode switches are on the right side of the keyboard. It's powered by a 3750 mAh battery. You can get 200 hours of battery life with the RGB backlight off and 30 hours with it on. With 3 connectivity options, you can switch between devices with the 2.4 GHz connection, Bluetooth, or USB-C wired mode. This keyboard features a south-facing LED, hot swap slotted PCS that supports 3 and 5 pin switches. The keyboard is gasket mounted and comes with 5 silencing layers for that smooth typing feel and hi-fi sound. At this point, the K75 Lite is a buy for me. Listen to the unedited sound of the keyboard, and thanks for watching. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney. Stay tuned for more videos.